Okay, well here we are at the Mövenpick Hotel in Amsterdam. We are in room 1730. We were upgraded because we were Platinum members, and we're going to take you into the room and show you. But just before we do that, this is the view as you walk down the hall to get to the room. We're right on the corner at the end, so let's go in and have a look. Excuse our bags, there are a couple here. So as we walk in, there's a wardrobe with coat hangers, etc. here. There's a little cabinet here, and then we have a safe and an ironing board, laundry service should you need it. Coming across here, we have a coffee machine and a kettle, which is wonderful for both, because one of us drinks coffee and the other does tea. So in the drawer we have a selection of teas, and then creamer, and then a selection of coffees, sugar, cups, etc. And then here's some glasses down here. Where the fridge is, we've given some complimentary water in the refrigerator. As we come along, we have our TV and a lamp. We were gifted this cute little duck, gorgeous, and with a note welcoming us. With these are gum, red wine and gum, so that's interesting. Sauvignon and Cru. And our letter just says, as a Platinum member, we're going to enjoy the members of our loyalty. So we've got drink vouchers and access to the executive lounge here at the hotel at Amsterdam, which is great, which is between 4 to 6, drinks complimentary and some food. We also have a large sofa, which is wonderful, overlooking this magnificent view of Central Station and the River Cruise Terminal and the city. That's going to be amazing of a night time. And then coming along, we have the bed. Looks super comfy. There's power outlets here and a telephone. Oh, here it is. I was wondering where the USB charger, etc. are. They're here. More outlets over here. And then coming across to this side, there's another outlet there, as well as lights. Yeah, so that's that part of the room. And then we go through into the bathroom, which is lovely. We have a shower over the bath. Hair and shampoo is together, conditioner separate. This is a new thing. I've only ever seen this in Europe since I was in Paris, the same thing. I don't normally see hair and body together and then conditioner separate. That's a new thing. Then we've got the mirror, tissues, different amenities here, the toilet, a decent hair dryer that's on the wall, hand and body wash, hand and body lotion. And yeah, so this is the bathroom. So it's really lovely, and going to be wonderful of a night time, looking out over the city. Yeah, excellent. So this is our room at the Mövenpick Hotel in Amsterdam. So this is the executive lounge. And just here, so there's at the moment it's breakfast time, so there's a whole range of danishes, coffee, tea. There's also drinks in the fridge. And then if you're wanting any other breakfast items, you go next door to their restaurant, which I'll show you a little bit later.